Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to buy planes in War Thunder. So guys, as you can see here, we have multiple countries that we can choose from. And in order for you to buy, just click research over here. And then from here, guys, on the aviation tab, as you can see, you will have here multiple options that you can choose from. And guys, down below, we will have the countries over here, and it will make changes based on the country. And we have here the ranks, rank 2, 3, and 4. And since I downloaded this game, I only have a rank 1 planes. So guys, in order for you to buy a plane, just click on it, and then guys, just tap on the research button over here in order for you to buy it. And guys, if you want to test your plane, you can just go ahead to the bottom. As you can see, test plane, in order for you to test it out first on how it moves to the fight and how its handling feels. So just click on test flight, and then from here you can choose difficulties, and you can choose your own preferences in order for you to test this plane. So guys, all you have to do is just use your research points in order for you to buy a plane. So guys, there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.